iPhone 17 Pro Max from zero to perfection. Watch how it is made with the finest details and the highest level of precision. Every piece, every innovation is built to become the most powerful phone in the world. Stay until the end. First, the raw titanium is scanned and tested to ensure perfect quality before production begins. The titanium block enters the heating chamber for melting. The titanium is melted into liquid form under extreme heat. The molten titanium is poured into the frame mold with precision. The solid titanium frame is carefully removed from the mold. Precision machines cut the frame and shape the camera openings. Laser technology refines the frame with perfect precision. The Apple logo is engraved and the frame is polished to perfection. The Apple logo is engraved with high-precision laser technology. The premium OLED display is carefully assembled with precision. The battery and processor are installed to power the device. The powerful A18 Pro chip is installed for maximum performance. The display is tested for perfect brightness and color accuracy. The final body is polished for a flawless premium finish. The advanced camera lenses are installed with perfect alignment. Each camera is tested to ensure perfect focus and clarity. The iPhone powers on for the very first time. The finished iPhone is carefully placed inside its original box. Finally, the iPhone is displayed in the Apple Store, ready for customers.